How to connect computer to Wi-Fi without cable. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Go to search bar and search for control panel. Click on control panel and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here you'll find view by on top right corner of your screen with category return on it. Click on it and then click on large icons. In here go to network and sharing center. After you open this, simply click on Set up a new connection. Then click on Connect to the Internet. Then press on Next. Or simply click on Manually Connect to a wireless network and press on Next. And then add your network name, security type, encryption type, and security key. Select Next and your Wi-Fi will be connected. And that's how you connect computer to Wi-Fi without cable. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.